Welcome to Ican Technologies, offer display solutions, soldering equipments, and touch screens. The company was established in 2012 at Pune. Our products are applicable in medical, banks, automation, and other areas. Supreme quality products, latest and innovative technology make us stand apart from also brands. Display devices, soldering equipments, keyboards, and keypads are some of our products and services. We offer a vast range of touch screens and LCD character displays. Our LCD screens and graphic LCD modules are class apart. Sunlight breathable TFT and resistive touch panels offered by us are available at affordable prices. Along with that, we offer capacitive touch panels and LCD control boards that are extremely reliable. We also provide electronic equipment repair services that are widely acclaimed in the market. For more information, log on at www.icantechnologies.co.in.